This video, we are going to see a special technique which is called digit sum method. So when you talk about digit sum method, it has a very vast application in almost every competitive exams. This technique is so powerful that whenever a question, a mathematical operation is given to you with the four options, even without calculating, even without solving the question, you can find out which is the correct option from the given four options. So normally competitive exams, whenever students go for competitive exams, the questions are given with the four options. So mathematical operations, you need to do some calculations like a multiplication, division, subtraction or addition, and then you will come to a conclusion, you will come to the final answer. But if you are master in digit sum method, even without solving the question, you can find out the answer from the given options. So powerful this technique is. So what is this technique about? When we talk about this technique, the first and important rule what we need to understand here is digit sum method. So as the word says, we need to calculate the sum of the digits. So some operations are given here, multiplication of two numbers. We need to find out the digit sum of the digit of these numbers. So 4, 5, 6, 4 plus 5 plus 6 equal to what? Sum of the digit. That is why it is called a digit sum method. That is number one. Number two rule number two is whenever you find out the digit of the numbers, whenever numbers add up to 9, that can be cancelled out. 9, digit 9 and the sum of the digit up to 9 can be cancelled out. That can be deleted, that can be ruled out. Any number, any digit which is adding up to 9 or the number 9 itself in the given question, if it is there, that can be deleted. The remaining numbers only need to be considered. That is rule number 2. So if you know these two rules, then very easily you can calculate whether the answer is correct or not. This is a method to check whether the given answer is correct or not. So here I have multiplied two numbers and I got an answer. I need to check whether the answer is correct or not using the digit sum method. So what actually happens, I am multiplying these two numbers and I am giving you four options. Multiplying these two numbers and I am giving you four options and I want you to find out which is the correct option. So you need not to multiply it. You can just by using the digit sum method you can find out which is the correct option from the given four options. Okay, so let us see how to do that. Here it is 456 and multiplied by 634. So as I told you, any digit which is adding up to 9 or the 9 digit itself can be cancelled out. So 4 plus 5, 9. So I can cancel this 4 and 5. 4 plus 5 equal to 9. Remaining here you have only 6. 6 and 3, 9. I can cancel out. Remaining is 4. So what is 6 into 4? 6 into 4 is 24. What is 2 plus 4? 6. So what is the digit sum in the left hand side? Left hand side it is 6. I am asking you what is the digit sum? Sum of the digit. Digits are 2 and 4. Digit sum of the digits equal to 6. So what we have done, any digit which are adding up to 9 we have deleted. Any digit which are adding up to 9 we have deleted. 4 and 5, 9 we have deleted. 6 and 3, 9 we have deleted. So remaining is 6 here, 4 here. 6 into 4, 24. 6 4s are 24. Again 24, when you take the digit sum, 2 plus 4 you got 6. So the digit sum of left hand side is 6. We should get the same digit sum on the right hand side to this answer to be correct. Let us check it. 2, 8, 9, 1, 0, 4. 9 I can cancel. 8 and 1, 9 I can cancel. Remaining is 2 and 4. What is 2 plus 4? 2 plus 0 plus 4 equal to 6. So the right hand side is also 6. So the answer is correct by the technique called digit sum method. Let us go to this question. 56 multiplied by 34 is equal to 1904. Whether its answer is correct or not. 5 plus 6, 11. 3 plus 4, 7. 11 into 7, 77. That is means 7 plus 7, 14. 1 plus 4, 5. I got left hand side 5. Here 9 you can cancel. 1 plus 0 plus 4, 1 plus 4, 5. So right hand side also I got 5. So LHS is equal to RHS. So the answer is correct. This method you can check whether the given answer is correct or not. This method is called digit sum method. Very powerful technique. 987 square is equal to 974169. We need to check whether the given answer is Correct or not? So 987 square means what? We need to multiply 987 two times. So we will multiply it. 987 into 987 is equal to 974169. Now we can see here we have a 9, here we have a 9, here we have a 9, here we have a 9. 8 plus 7, 15. Again 8 plus 7, 15. Here we have 7 plus 4, 11 plus 1, 12 plus 6, 18. 15 means 6. Again 15 means 6. 1 plus 5, 6. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 into 6. Here we have 1 plus 8, 9. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 1 plus 9, 9. Here 6 into 6, 36. Is equal to 9. 3 plus 6, 9. So you got 9 equal to 9. 9 can be cancelled out. So LHS equal to RHS. So this answer is correct. So what I want to tell you is, whenever you have digit sum of the left hand side is equal to digit sum of the right hand side, then it is correct. This is the method of checking whether the given answer is correct or not. Using this method, you can find out which is the correct option from the given options. Very powerful technique. Practice it and increase your speed. We'll meet with a new technique in the next video. Take care. Dear friends, if you are watching my channel first time, I request you to kindly like and subscribe please.